big thing that people think about Squarespace, and it is a misconception, is, oh, Squarespace is just templates. Well, it's not. It's absolutely not. If we're getting technical, it's just one template, which is a blank slate that you can customize. And the templates are just jump off points. But that said, there are loads of these jump off points for every single type of person who comes onto Squarespace and who wants to make or who wants to build this sort of digital shop window. So what I'm going to do is show you how you can pick the best template for you in this video. Now, if we go over to the screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get there and then how to plug in the right inputs to get the right template for you. It's going to be super simple, and hopefully it should get you where you need to go in, I'm going to say, 2 or 3 minutes. So let's get into it. First of all, you want to go to squarespace.com, obviously, and then you're going to be presented with this. I mean, this may have changed by the time that you come to go on it, but it's still going to have to get started, CTA. So click get started, and that is going to take us into the templates page. You're going to see a ton of different options here. So what you need to take into account is, do I want a blog? Do I want a portfolio? Do I need e-commerce? Am I just solely a brochureware website? Do I need scheduling? Do I need courses, video paywalls, blog paywalls, all of these things? And then on top of that, what sector am I in? Am I in home and decor? Am I someone who talks about fitness? Whatever it is, we need to plug these inputs into Squarespace to get the right template. So I'm going to say, for this example, I need a portfolio, and then I need memberships. And then within that, I am just a simple local business. So let's scroll down. Squarespace is going to give me 50 different templates that match these 3 inputs. Maybe I want to change this and say, oh, well, I'm local, but I'm a community and non-profit. You can see it changes that. It gives us 8 here. But I think, to be honest, all these look a bit crap. So let's go for something cool like real estate. If I look at real estate, I'm liking the look of this one. So we click on this, and then we can have that look through, and we can see this iframe here, which is going to show us inside the site before we actually confirm. If you want, you can view the full demo site by clicking down here, and you can click around and see what this looks like before you actually commit. Now, this does look nice, to be fair, but I'm still not convinced. So I'm going to go back again, and then I'm going to rejig it. So I'm going to take out my inputs, and I'm going to say, actually, I just want to look at art and design. So you click that, and you can see 21 templates match this. We scroll down, and make sure that you scroll down past this, because most people will scroll. They'll see this and they'll think that's it. They'll just think, oh, there's only 3. But scroll past the AI. I've got a video on AI that you can check out. But scroll past that, and there's way more. And I'm thinking to myself here, nothing is jumping out to me. So I've gone through all the prompts, but I'm not quite sure what I want. So in that case, if you're in that position, what you can do is you can go to all templates. And this is going to show you all, how many have we got? 168. So you can scroll through all these, or you can go back to the drawing board and try another input. Because if I definitely know that I want e-commerce, then I kind of have to have online store checked if I don't want to do any customization. If you're willing to do a little bit of customization, you can keep this off, and then you can add the online store. On the back end, it just means that you need to build that and customize that without the use of a template. But because I'm lazy in this instance, I'm going to put online store, and I'm looking at this, Subol, and I'm thinking, yeah, okay, that's good. So we click on this. Then I've been through the demo site. I've checked it out on mobile, and I'm thinking, yeah, this looks good. What I then want to do is go with a color palette. So I can cycle through all of these. I'm liking the look of this limey, yellowy color. So we click start, and Squarespace is going to set it up for us. Then once you're into your site, it's going to prompt you to put in your site title. So we'll call this My Website, which can be changed off the back of it. But we click next. It's going to walk you through a little setup wizard, get started, and bang, you can see your template is ready to go. If we go into pages, you can see all the pages ready to customize, including, which was the kicker, the shop or e-commerce. That's what we toggled on the template selector. So that will load up, and you can see we've got a couple of template items already in there when it loads, like so. And those will be the templates that you use when you actually load your own products on. So that's how you choose a template. Hopefully that was helpful. I'm pretty sure I've gone over the 2 to 3 minutes that I anticipated. But regardless, hopefully it was helpful. If it was, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.